Mekaylajene, and I'm back again with another banger. Girl, say it.
Say what?
Back again with another.
Back again with another bingo.
You know you a star, you can touch the sky. I know that it's hard, but you have to try. If you need advice, let me simplify.
What we cooking, Grandma?
We are cooking fresh collard greens, and we're also seasoning them with smoked turkey.
We're making rice and gravy. I don't know how to cook any of this, but we got Grandma today. So, all right, Grandma. So what do I do first?
You gotta rinse it off in the sink.
Rinse these two?
Yeah, rinse it in the sink.
Okay. Okay. I need to put it in the bowl?
No, just rinse them. Just let them rinse.
I don't really want to touch it.
You don't want to touch it. You open it, Kayla, and put the stuff in that thing.
Got them smoked turkey necks in there. We about to let that cook for a little bit, and we be back. All right, so what do we do first?
Take them loose. Take them out.
Collard greens.
Maybe I need to show you, and then you can do it. And then I'll show you when you can do it.
Yeah, I think you should show me.
Because that rubber band on.
Are your hands clean? Yeah. Take your band off.
All you have to do, Kelly, look, see what I'm doing? You look, make sure no worms and bugs is on them, okay? Mm-hmm. You break it off right there.
No worms?
But, yeah. Oh. See how I'm doing this one? You be doing the same one.
Oh, I was going to let you,
cook.
Let you keep going. You look like you was good at it.
You have a knife. Mekaylajene, that knife in the sink.
What you need a knife for?
Small knife.
You have one in the sink. Ain't there one in that sink right there?
Boy.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And y'all, my counter's clean. I cleaned it before we started.
Hey, like I'm doing.
Update on these, what's these? Turkey legs. Oh, smoked turkey. That thing hot boy, wanna rock boy. Let's look. They not really doing nothing. But yeah, so that's my progress so far. So far we have cut up our collards, smoked turkey. We cut up our collards. The smoked turkey is smoking in there, you know what I'm saying? This is my little big brother. Y'all look how big he is. Yeah, like they love me. Like, what? Here go my little grandma. This is my great grandma. This is my other grandma. This is my best friend. Grandma. Say, hey, girl. She's so rude. So, yeah, we getting it popping. Shapopping. So, right now, we are basically cleaning the collards. She said use cold water. I really don't know why.
I use cold water.
Why?
So the veggies be crisp.
Okay, you use it so your collards can be crispy. But y'all, that cold water is not. Your girl, I'm not built like that. So these turkey. I'm just gonna put them in here.
Turkey paws up. Smoked turkey paws up.
Shit, Helen, it's recorded. You can say it. Yeah, my grandma does not want to talk. Okay, just gonna put them in here. Like I said before, this meat has been cooking for an hour.
15 minutes.
Hour 15? Roughly an hour and 15 minutes. Y'all probably like, what in the world? I'm telling you, this stuff is bomb. She usually use ham, but we don't do the red meat in this house. As for me and my house, we shall eat turkey, chicken, and seafood. Turkey necks are out. They're sitting right here. That water is the turkey neck water, and now
That word is seasoning. It says seasoning, seasoning.
that's some seasoned water. Seasoned. Then we gotta put in our about to add my collards to this pot. Can I just dump it in there?
Yeah. Seasoning.
Oh yeah, you gotta season it up.
So this is the last of the colors. So this is the last of the colors.
You gonna tell me what to say every time I gotta say something, Grandma? Or you gonna just say it? You gonna keep whispering to me? Y'all, she been whispering to me this whole video. And I don't know why. Y'all hear her whispering? You come do it. Oh, I put this soul food season?
Yeah,
Some salt?
Put
You
a
don't
little
need no
salt.
salt in that thing.
You do. Not a little salt.
Okay. Put a little salt. This one?
Yes, it's a little. Don't put that much.
Tell me when to stop.
I can't see it.
Go ahead.
That's not.
Oh. How much was that? What'd you say? A teaspoon? Tablespoon? She just said put a teaspoon in there. What's next?
Got some red pepper.
Red
What's
pepper?
in that bag over there?
Did you bring red pepper? Oh, you brought crushed. It's gonna make it hot.
Just gonna put half of that in there.
So I'm putting some red pepper in here. Grandma
Don't
brought
put
it
your
from her
hand-
home.
your hand in there. Just shake it in there, Kelly.
My hands is clean.
Yeah, but you don't want the hand in the pepper all over.
Oh.
Put it all in there.
It's gonna be hot.
It won't be hot. That's enough right there. That's enough right there. I'll throw it in
Throw this
there.
away? Okay.
Now put some soul food. I bought a new bottle, so your mom got some. If you use hers, just give her the new bottle.
Soul food seasoning.
So I usually give her some.
Soul food. Then you're gonna use some good old Clover Valley soul food seasoning. How much is this? You can take your bottle back home, sure.
Just pour them for. That's enough.
Okay. How much was that? A tablespoon?
About a teaspoon.
A teaspoon?
You didn't use about a half a teaspoon.
Felt like a lot. And cover this?
Get the thing we had all ago
This.
and mash it in. Then we mash it.
Alright, so the collards are in there. And we just mashing this thing into here. The bottom ones, they're already cooking. Get right before the night. Grandma cannot mix with this thing.
Let me see.
She just, doing her thing dizzle. Just, mash the collards or whatever down in the pot. So, how long do those sit? How long do collards sit?
You gotta cook these about 30 minutes, 35 minutes.
So, approximately 30-35 minutes. And then we'll check back with them collards. Yes, ma'am.
You're gonna need some more hot water in there.
More water.
Hot water.
More hot water.
You got it, bro.
And we'll check back with y'all in like 30 minutes. Okay? So
They're about done. Like turkey necks.
so she said when you're cooking it, you don't cook the turkey necks all the way through. And you just put them on top of your collards like such. So,
Season them to get through the collar skin.
huh?
So your season to get through the collar skin.
So y'all heard her. So the seasoning can get through the collards. And we still have the turkey wings. But what we doing with turkey wings?
You have in the Western oil.
Who?
Western oil.
Western oil?
What she cook with season what?
I don't know what she uses. She has extra virgin olive oil.
Oh, that's good. Toss them right in.
And then you're gonna put some olive oil in your collards. As y'all can see so far, my grandma doesn't measure anything. She just guesstimates, but that's how you know she be cooking. Cause when you be cooking, you don't measure. Me, I don't be cooking, so I measure everything. My water was boiling on high, so I just turned that down. I put it on medium, tops on, like I showed y'all earlier. Collards, and there go my turkey nizzecks. hope that won't too much. Yeah. Oh, this is not the one. Soul food season. I keep touching that stupid thing.
There's like some grease on top of the pot, all on top of it.
Yeah, I can see the. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Splash.
Got you. It's in the sink, so you're good.
This ain't like a splash, cause it's gonna drain all out anyway. Yeah. There you go. And then hold it up. Oh, I'm talking.
You can talk. Here she go again, y'all. She can't talk. All right, Grandma, what I do
Now
next?
put it back into that pot and chop it up, right?
Yeah. That's what I did. Let me see. I can
It's crazy how it ain't nothing. This is nothing.
After all that work.
All that work.
I told you it ain't nothing. You know how that man.
We didn't. I thought we had a lot.
And you see how expensive it is too.
So we're using this little,
Do you say done table?
I don't know what this thing is called, but
Chopper, vegetable chopper, I guess.
using the vegetable chop. We don't like our collards all big and stuff. We like them
This time here, Sharon.
finely chopped.
Yes.
Jeez. Oh, this is hot, baby.
Your first call.
First time making collards. Time for my taste test.
What day is it, Pat? Tell the day.
I don't know the day, Grandma.